Let me tell y'all about this Unice Amazon 22-inch body wave V-part wig. The pros, great for faking and sewing, quick and convenient, very versatile with styling. But the cons, you don't have to spend time doing your hair, and now you have more time to do other things. There are no cons. Okay, y'all, I have a solution to when we have an old silk press or we just don't want to wash our hair that may be straightened or stretched or blow dried out. Y'all know what I mean. Our hair naturally produces oil, and these styles tend to, run up kind of quickly. If you're like me, I try to maximize my silk presses. Like, I'm not just going to wash my hair in a week or two. We need to find something else to do with my hair. And there are a lot of things that we can do with old silk press. Like, you can do a braided ponytail. You can do a slick back style. But for this, baby, we're about to add some length to our hair and fake a sewing in a minute. So I'm going to start off with my Unice Amazon hair. It is a V-part wig, 22 inches, and it's the texture body wave. Y'all, I am an advocate for V-part wigs. I love V-part wigs, and Unice Amazon, for the price, the quality is amazing. So first, we're going to go ahead and section out a small amount of leave out. Now, personally, I have found that you can use less leave out than what I'm doing, but because my hair is already in like a silk press state, I know it'll be a little finer, so I don't want it to be easily noticeable that I do have on a V-part wig. So I just sectioned a little more out than normal. Go ahead and make sure that you have a middle part if you're choosing to do a middle part, and section out on each side of the middle part, and that'll be the hair to cover your unit. If you don't want that much leave out, but you still want some protection, just in case the wind blows, and help it to lay more seamless, go ahead and take you out 2 little pieces on each side of your part. Y'all, trust me, you're gonna see why later. I'm doing the low ponytail method for this install. You do not need braids, you do not need twists, especially if your hair is easily manageable. Just do this quick little method, or you can do like 2 juicy cornrows. It's not gonna matter. Y'all, these 2 pieces is gonna help your hair blend at the start of the unit. You guys will see. V-part wigs are so convenient. Yes, I'm doing the easy method, but you can also do 2 ankle braids. I have previous videos on my channel where I have different methods to install a V-part wig. This is just by far my favorite because it takes little to no effort and time, but it still comes out looking flawless. Make sure you are clipping the hair right where the part starts. You do not want it to be overlapping your part, because then it'll show like a hump indication once you lay your hair on top of it. I do go in with my combs, and I'm just going to clip the other side as well, and then we're going to get ready to style this hair. Now, don't come for me. I know my hair is black, and this V-part wig is like a natural black brown color, but it is okay. It is still going to blend, and you guys will see that as you continue watching. I do dye my hair jet black, and that is the only reason why it's not as flawlessly blended. But y'all, it's blended. Y'all can't tell me it's not blended. Like, for real, like, come on. I wanted to go in and show you guys how versatile that this hair is. It can be easily straightened, and it looks amazing straight. But for this look, I am going for kind of like that loose curl, like curls for the girls look. But this hair is beautifully straightened. Like, do y'all see that? Y'all see my hair with it? Look at it. Look at the slow-mo. This is just one of the many hairstyles you can do with a V-part wig. Y'all see how that hair came in clutch? Y'all can't tell me that that's not seamless. That was that little extra hair that we left out on the side, okay? I choose to curl my hair with a flat iron. You can also go in with a wand curler, a curling wand, what am I trying to say? Y'all know that little thing that curl your hair. You can go in with any of that. I just choose to use a flat iron because I like flat iron curls. So I'm just going to continue to style this hair, and then I'm going to come back to you guys at the end. So if you made it this far, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and shout out to Unice Amazon. All right, like don't play with them. All the information on this hair will be down below, so please feel free to check it out. Do y'all see how seamless that is? Y'all saw the leave out that I used. I'm very, very happy with this install, and I can't wait to try more styles. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off of me, and click the notification bell so you know every time I post. I plan on coming in hot this summer and spring. All right, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.